Hello everyone, today I'm talking about IBKR trading margin account. Interactive, interactive brokerized margin requirements. IBKR puts additional control on use of leverage ahead of elections. Interactive broker clients were greeted with an email informing them of an increase in margin requirements leading up to the November elections in the United States. The latest stat Intel margin requirements will rise up to 35% from normal levels starting September 28th through October 3rd. Maintenance margin uh, maintenance margin requirements will increase in similar manners between October 5th and October 30. The update will be met each day following the market close in New York. Client 50% of the value of a new position and 20% to maintain a current position. This will increase gradually to 67.5% for a new position, 33.75% for maintenance. The Intel margin is a percentage of the purchase price of a security that must be covered by cash or collateral when using a margin account. The current Intel margin requirement set by the Federal Reverse Board regulation T is 50%, but this is regulation is only a minimum requirement. uh, Equity brokerage firms may set their Intel margin requirements higher than 50%. A margin account is essentially a line of credit in which interest is charged on the outstanding margin balance. Large provider of margin loans. Interactive Interactive Brokers is one of the largest provider of margin loans globally, charging extremely low interest. According to its most recent filing with the SEC as of June 30, 2015, approximately $25 billion of customer margin loans where outstanding interest rates on margin loans are currently 0.75% to 2.59% in the USA. Investopedia named Interactive Brokers as its best broker for international trading, best for day trading, and best for low margin rates in 2020. In April 2020, IBKR took a loss of approximately $88 million due to the huge drop in the price of construct for New York Exchange West tax. Intermediate make crude oil to negative 37.63 according to a report on Seeking Alpha. Several customers had long positions in this constructor. and their laws execute the quantity in their account. IBKR fulfilled the margin settlements with the effect clearing house on its customers' behalf. Interactive Broker said in the mail in that it may make additional changes to the margin on cretin products for all products depending on volatility. This includes change built into the standard margin model as well as any new house margin requirements that may be imposed.
क्या ओ चल
Interactive will there be more changes? Staff Sanders at Interactive Broker says we are evaluating the current market environment and our margin requirements are reflection of that assessment. There was no press release issued on this topic as the firm doesn't announce operations policy. The margin agreement that customers sign with Interactive Brokers states that the firm may request additional margin collateral from customers and may sell securities that have not been paid for or purchase securities sold but not delivered from customers if necessary. What other brokers are saying? It appears that Brokers is the only major firm updating its margin requirements that at this point, but they are also the only brokerage to take a major margin-based loss this year due to market volatility. Granted, that volatility was in the crude oil market rather than in stock, but margin practice are extended to any asset class that involves risk to the lender. Tom Sonoff of TastyWorks said, "We have not changed our requirements and we have no plans to do so." Roseline from Sogo Trade says, "We will not be making any changes at this time." Sean Herring of E-Option saying his firm has not made any changes to existing margin structure in the last month, adding typically at this time we have not made a decision to modify existing margin requirements. Typically we make adjustment on a name to name basis depending on one example of a high volatility name that may require increase in requirements from time to time.